What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. And today my people, we are going to look up a vlog video right now, my people. To be honest with you, and I always want to see the famous Woodbine beach that's in Toronto. More up on the downtown side, north, east, south yard, I call it, not York, what they want to call it, but it's downtown, Woodbine. I think it's Woodbine and Queen area, Woodbine and Lakeshore, Woodbine and Kingston, whatever it is. But right now, people, we're downtown. I'm at Woodbine Beach right now. I just want to go on a tour. I'm going to start from over across the road. Just have a little park fountain first. And then we're going to go over to the Woodbine Beach. And I just want to show you a nice little vlog video of Woodbine Beach. Look what we call Woodbine Beach in Toronto. You understand? Today's a nice day, my people, we get. I say, you know what? Let me go out there, go on this vlog video. Because a long time I'm supposed to do this one too also, right? And again, my people, thanks again for everybody who's been liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel and supporting your boy. We just reached 10,000 subscribers with people. Let's see if we can reach 12,000 or 15,000 soon again now, my people, because you don't know, you see we are putting the work, you see we are putting the fight, and we are continue the journey same way, right, my people? So again, my people, if you're new here, we do a lot of park video, mall video, hood videos and stuff like that in Toronto, in Canada. And then we also do the dream house video content and stuff like that in Jamaica. And you don't know, so we do a walk and talk. And then in Jamaica, we're going to show you the waterfall, the parks, the hoods, them over there too. And all of those type of nice stuff. And so probably some cooking stuff too like that with it. I'm not chef, but you don't know, when you're in Jamaica, you have to try to do a 1-2 thing for yourself, right? So right now, people, we're going to just take a stroll around this wooden bridge area. I just want to show you how the place look. And then just got hear me talk. Again, people, them, you see, them not no fish in them things there, you know. I'm not thinking that I want to eat no fish out of this too. Like, look at that, look on that. No, sir. But the vibe of the area is all good. Hopefully nobody not broken my car over this way, you know, sure. What do you them broken on my bridge in car? I can't bother with it. So them now have a nice wooden bridge area, you know. Grandma just sit down and a vibe out and taking the sunlight and stuff like that. And yeah, nice little boardwalk vibe. Hopefully them can do some stuff like this in Jamaica too, you know. And my sister, Jamaica right now I get set up like it's gonna be a mini Miami. So Jamaica look like it'll come to me now, my people. Yeah, man. Jamaica is looking way different than how it used to be now. So, yeah. Hello. Hi. I'm just doing a vlog video around the area. Okay. Alright then, take care. Alright, my people, so people them just want to know where you are the more time and just fast me your business. But I just say go more time. At least them never, oh, don't put the camera on me type of vibe. So now we're still up on the boardwalk. I go through, I go walk back all the way around, and then we're gonna end up back on Lakeshore, and then we're gonna go to the beach side. So nice little park where this probably could even do some photo shoot around here, so too, you know. Around here is not bad at all. And again, my people, thanks up to everybody who are like the behind the scenes of the photo shoot settings and stuff like that. We might even do a next one later on. I'm gonna show you like if I have a couple equipment but don't have a location. And you can set up anywhere and just do nothing. You can see Starfield, I look a bit chilly again, my people. I mean, you know, winter stuff right now, or fall stuff, because today at 26 degrees outside. So I say, you know what? Just go out there, go do it quick. I mean, go downtown and make a fast job, you know. So yeah, so the part where them over here. I'm gonna go walk over to Woodbine Beach just now and show you guys. Probably not Asha Fall Beach or something like them call it. But I'm not gonna walk over this side there. But me I go show you the Woodbine Beach side. I'm not on the video. If it be too drawn out. Where I'm gonna go that way there and come back around, or I'm just go back around this side. I wanted to show you guys this, they have a skating arena around here, so I'm just go the longer way. This video is going to be a long video, my people. I'm just go and stay tuned and just watch how the place look and stuff like that. Again, This is over by Woodbine Beach Park area. Probably like 15 minutes from downtown Toronto or 20 minutes from the downtown Toronto core of it. So yeah, you can check it out more time. Now summertime now, and do a lot of events over this big field park right here. So I'm gonna show you a good time, so I'm gonna get an understanding. Yeah, so this big field park right here, so now they do a lot of summer events here. A lot of different food trucks. Sometimes I'll pull up over here, so, and them do them things over here. So I just saw it go right there. So now I'm gonna go over. I wanted to show you guys the skateboard area too. Now all of our skaters them forward. Probably can see some today, but I'm not sure. But look like that's gonna be too much of a far walk. I think I'm gonna have the energy there to walk all the way over this now too. And then I forgot to walk all the way back again. No, sir. I don't think I have it in me to do all of that right there. But now we're back out on the main now and stuff. Again, my people, summertime, you don't need to leave Canada in the summertime. Be honest with you, there's so much things to do. And that's why I'm go get an RV or one of them camper style truck there when the dream house finish. Cause when the dream house finish, my people, not really, I have no need to do too much things. Cause that's really where the stress go and the energy. And that's gonna be an Airbnb. Right? So my focus I forgot upon that mostly and try to set up things for that in Jamaica mostly too. So that will be a whole heap of work, but that Father God said me to do, and that we are gonna do. Still I got do my photo shoots them, still I got do my video shoots them, still I got do wedding, so we are probably have a lot of wedding type of vibe. Oh, people see it over here, so just so I get the phone one time and done. It's gonna be a little bit longer video. That open and love, enjoy my talk and enjoy the walk. I just want to go on a nice good video for Woodbine, because we don't know when we are come back over here. So cause after this winter time, I'm not going. No, come over here in the cold. So that's that then, my people. So yeah, I want to show another this part over here. At least me get the time right now for show to you guys. It's like them have all a Coliseum right. There's a type of vibe over this. So I don't know what it name, but it look like a Coliseum to me. And again, my people, I do these videos for people who live all the nearby hoods like these and stuff like that. People who migrate to different places and just want to see back their places and stuff like that, and you know. So this is why I do these type of videos. So now this is like a nice little skate track around here. I think Jamaica, they just built something like this close. I think it's close by Bob Marley Beach. Yeah, so just wanting to check it out. You see my people, so you still walk and a tour the place the same way. So hopefully you enjoy these type of vlogs, my people. Just like up the like button and just like, share and subscribe same way. Right? Continue on the journey with people. So just to go finish. I think see there's like a Coliseum over there, so I don't know if a Coliseum in my people, but it just look like one of them type of building there back in the days type of vibe. But right here is like the skating park, local skating park, and I have a PR or nothing. You just come vibe out. A lot of people do their music videos down here and stuff like that also too. And now this area get really expensive, you know. I think it's been expensive to live because it's right by the beach and stuff like that. Well, the man-made lake, because I know beach, but them just call it the beach because me not swimming night. Probably people swimming night, you know, but me not swimming night. So I just saw it go. Just guys. Okay, sorry. Yeah, my people. I always have the police them around this area too, cause you don't know. Safety first to them area, you know. People not take no talking. Run them type of vibes here around here. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, man. Them have to defend them high communities, you know. Call them the high price community, high price tag communities and stuff like that. Over here, so now people are be boats and stuff like that. So I'll be a boats over there. Oh wait. So over this is the parking lot. This is the part I just did a walk out and I show you. And this is the next beach over this side. And that side is a skating arena. And come through, my dog, come through. Come. Yo, people them not nervous when I shoot, you see. People me have to go run. Yes, run. Because they never even put they never turn on the sidewalk thing. So now, this is one part of the lake side, but we're not going around this side. This is a different beach, them call it. So we are going to walk over. This is what them call it right here, so I'm showing you. But we are going down to Woodbine Beach Park. So you can see the difference. So, Ashbridge Bay Park. So, that's for that one, right? But we are going over Woodbine Beach. Right up on the next side. And over here so nice too, you know. Summertime people, like you know, do nothing, you just want to come vibe out. Don't have them place here nice, you just come chill out. Spend your time, you know, if you have extra time in your day. You know, you finish up work, you know. You have your booby, and you want to vibe out with them, and you know. I think this is one of the park them. Not probably 100% sure, but one of the park them around here. We're probably supposed to. You can drink there and stuff like that without getting no headache and stress from the police them and stuff like that. That's all. Where they move so hard, man. Only for police up on them road there, you know, stop it, youth. So, I look like them take care of the park because I'll be a golf cart them and use and clean up the place too. So, today's probably going to be a nice day for a lot of people to come out because today's like 27 degrees outside. Last week we get all 10, 8 and 9 degrees. So, imagine that. So, today's going to be a nicer day for people to come out and do what they want to do. So now this is a famous parking lot over here. So you know, so in a park here in summertime, you know, you don't have on your parking ticket, you know, you get ticket, you know, and them no ramp for ticket you over here, so here. And them will come tow your car and all of them stuff there too. Over here, so them no play in summertime to give you a ticket. You know, get no leniency, nothing, no. Just run up my cash and call it a day. So them make you know. Yeah, man. Think at one time you ever get a parking ticket over here? No, sir. I think at one time I do one things over here so to you know my people, but I can't get into that, you know. I don't know if kids are watching the video right now. So one other time if you don't want to hear one of them story there, you know, just make me know. We come back and we walk and we talk one of them time there. I'll tell you one of them episodes that happened to me. Yeah, man. That man. See, be a sunroof type of car them. Which we can have one of them there at Jamaica. Yes, I. So I'm going to walk over to the food area now. For sure, you guys over the food area. Look, I don't think I'm going to walk the entire boardwalk and show you. Because there's not much to really show when you pass a limit. A certain point. So, just a show you. Majority. I want to show you the food section area, and then we're going to walk over to the beachside boardwalk area, and that's where they do all the fireworks and stuff like that when you like national holidays and stuff like that too. So walk and make you guys see how it is over here And I finally get the Woodbine Beach video, my people. Finally. After the long waiting time. Finally have the time to come over here and get it done. I still not feel 100%, you know, but work, oh people. Work. And again, my people, opening us enjoy the talk while we walk, you know. Hopefully you subscribe to the same way. Don't be late. Make sure you like it up and share the contents also. And then this is the next parking lot over here again. And this a little nice little food area what them have over here. Not the best food I may just say, but I never even eat over there before, so not really complain. But I talk like business wise, and could I put all the different no name like name places, a pizza or a McDonald's all right here, so or a Burger King or a KFC, right? Or a Caribbean place where you know say a beach vibe them do it, deal with or stuff like that, you know what I mean? So $5 Boardwalk bucks. That was that. So Boardwalk, right? So that's all me that say. But this is a nice little vibe area where you can chill and stuff. Come drink a little beer right here. Like it's a Greek place too. You can vibe out. They have a beach club thing right here. I never seen this before. But probably them have some stuff in the back. They have some booster juice right here also. So them have one thing, like them have like a club area right there. And then now, I can say this is starting now. With us for Woodbine Beach, really, on this side. So I'm not gonna walk in at the sun today. Can't really sun up myself. Cause like I say, right after this, I have a photo shoot for go do. So I'm not try exert myself too much. But we are walk out on the boardwalk right now. Yeah man. Again, my people, you can't be turned in the summertime. Me sorry. I mean, I don't care what nobody want to tell me say. You just can't beat it. Woodbine Beach Park right there is the sign. I don't want to get a picture with the sign, you know, but I'll probably do it somewhere else. Some people in the background right there, so now be a sun and stuff again. And see over the beach, you look now, my people. Yeah, man. People them just come through and enjoy them a good time for the day. Ice cream shack and stuff like that. People them always play netball or stuff like that. Every summertime, everybody always just out here, you know. All people them come out here and enjoy themselves. Go on with themselves. I shot a music video done by this side already. If I don't want to see the music video them in summertime, Tio, summer 2022, you can go YouTube it and check out that video. Again, my people, if you need a music video be done in Toronto or anywhere, and you can book with, we can fly out anywhere no one will go, and we can get the project done. Same if you're looking for a photographer for your weddings and photo shoots and stuff like that, available. You can always link up and we get the job done also with people. Alright, so we're multi-talented, you know, people. We try to do everything, and again too, the Airbnb will be soon be done. So anytime anybody now travel to Jamaica and don't know, say now I've got link up 416 to 876 Jamaica if you get on a place in Jamaica. You know, can get to know people for pick on up, private butler, can get to know shuttles and all of them stuff there. Whatever you want from it in Jamaica, we can get and provide it, you know. Want bodyguard and all of them stuff there. We can get anything, man. So I don't want to go over upon the sunny area with people, but again, like I say, nah, I try to do it myself right now. But this is like the boardwalk and stuff around this area. And again, it's a nice day, so everybody just a vibe out and a chill out on the beach, you know. All different type of chairs over there, all over. I love if them have a couple places like this But you know, so them have the Harmony Beach in a Mobile or something similar like this, you know. You know, man. But I need to open up and something like this all in a Kingston. All over the airport side, my people. Over the side, that'll be nice. Then clean up over this and fix it up and put a couple building and stuff like that over there. You know what I mean? Come beach vibe type of stuff. And clean up the beach properly over the area there. Over Port Royal side would have been nice, yeah. Something like this. Even at Port Moresby, them have the new beach where them open down by back road area. Photo Pentis or something like that. Even for that man, the place would have been nice, but government have to invest. I go up good amount of money, and then them can put mini shops there, you know. They can put a mini KFC there, a mini pizza place there, a mini, you know, ice cream place, some local sports activity stuff. Cause beach, right? Cause Elcha done with it, you know, my people. Elcha done with, so. You know, like, you can't even go Elcha go swim and enjoy yourself no more. I just if you go Elcha go eat. But more them upgrade the place, them Elcha is an old vibe, old look. I don't really like over there no more like that. You want it to look like over Margaritaville look, over Ochi look and stuff like that with the nicer stuff, them nicer amenities now and the nicer vibe, and you don't have too much people over there where you beg you and looking at your face straight and probably all rob from you too and all of them things there. And everybody has to sell you something. No man, I want to build up some nicer shacks and things and place where you can promote the culture better in Jamaica. You know which part of that be nice to my people? Over Bob Marley Beach. Yeah man, over Bob Marley Beach that'd be very nice. If them really fix up over there, so you know man. If them really fix up over Bob Marley Beach, would that be a great job, great look for all the community, because a whole heap of tourism and tourists that come over there. So but them know them want, them can't even fix up nice bamboo huts and stuff and nice up the area and different shops. Like alright, them have a place in a DR over called Cabaret Beach. When I go back at DR, I'm going to do a video over there. No, I can't go to Cabaret this time. Jaja. But I got Cabaret Beach and show you how Cabaret Beach deal with them stuff and I understand where I come from. But right here, so now people, this is a pool. Right here, so it's a pool. So they have a pool right here also. I think in the summertime it's open. I'm not sure if it's open now or closed, but in the summertime the pool place hot up. Whole heap of people, because some days you get all 43 weather, you know, my people. And again, you see, you can bring your girlfriend or you can bring yourself and just go walk out this area and just enjoy your evening time. Take off stress off of your mind. Yeah man, that you have to do these days, man. People, you can't sit down in the house and stress out over you about bills. It would mad you. I think they have a lot of police area right there, yeah. That place is like a police station. And they do have like a pizza spot, but if you walk up on the road up, so it's a pizza and all of them other giants there. But I thought down on the beach side right here, so in the front you can have a mini one, but you go walk upon this and go out to the and see if we can go closer to the water for sure now. Right, you know. Also, if we go this way, we'll walk up this way if we go back around, that's the lakeshore area. If we go back around, let's go pretty girl and stuff. So this is how it looks. Very, very, very sandy. Lucky they made have this go walk apart right there, so I couldn't bother with the sun. Over that side now are more park benches and stuff like that. This would remind me again, like I say, Harmony Beach. Now I'm up here. Hopefully the people who are construct over St. Thomas can do clean up one of the beach area them what them have over there and get something done like this too. That would be great for St. Thomas, you know. Because remember, in Jamaica is a vibe country, you know, where you just want to enjoy yourself. So the water down there, some people, but I don't think I'm going to be walking over there. Oh, God. Alright, my people. Fine. You I go walk over there just because I know. I show you the water vibe look and thing. That's why I have to subscribe to my people, because I tell you not be a different content. The over the page, you know, showcasing everything and everywhere. What me like to do. Not this channel is not political channel or nothing like that, but more time we talk what we have to talk, and that's it. So now we're down by the water. Can't have a beach video without the water, right? And right after the stone right there, so think of sand, but if you go look a bit more now, after the sand, I'll be a seaweed and stuff like that. So you know, so you not see me in this period. I think we're gonna walk over to that big bench right over this, and then we're gonna turn back and show another place. But this is Woodbine Beach tour, my people. I can't say nothing, get a tour from boy Jay from over here. Welcome to Woodbine Beach. Yeah man, my peeps. Hope you enjoy the vlogs. I'm going to make a walk through right now and walk around today. Probably can walk on the edges right now. I have to turn back the camera, people, because the sun, right? So yeah, you can check it out right now. Again, people, nice little place. You can come camping. At night time, them don't really restrict you from doing so and stuff like that. And I think Jamaica need to open up more camping sites, on the beach sites them and stuff like that. Make people go enjoy themselves. Because a couple of us sit down and enjoy themselves. Then probably have some red wine in them teacup. You know what I mean? Because one thing I know with foreign white people, they love drink wine, you know. They love drinking red wine. So again, water, nice water. Again, I not swim in it though, so you can't come swim though. So you know them things I not like Maras and them things there. Nope, me alright. So nice little black couple right out here enjoy themselves. You understand? So again, it's a nice spot to live. It can't be Toronto in the summertime. I don't care what nobody wanna tell me. Unless I probably go to Vancouver and start show over Vancouver. But that's one of the things we want to do too, my people. We want to go to Vancouver also. But that's when we get the van, the RV me that talk about. And me a plan to get one of them RV type of vibe style that you know in Jamaica. And just tour around Jamaica in a local RV bus. Yeah man, them life them man for live man. And just explore the country. Oh, if you be explorer. But for now, the next trip we'll go up. We got tour out mostly St. Catherine and go for the on top waterfall area them when nobody not really a show and stuff like that, and tour out St. Catherine. Because I remember them people, the villa there in St. Catherine, I don't know what them people are built over here, so. But look like them man here. I build one zodiac sign type of vibe type of thing with them rocks them. See me talk to all himself. I see them people build like a trail of rocks and thing. I don't know. I wait name. And I'm mark it up too also. Like a spiritual type of vibe type of thing. I'm gonna talk to himself with it too, you see them people. You know what is it called?
A labyrinth.
A labyrinth?
Labyrinth.
A labyrinth. What is it for?
It's to walk.
Oh, to walk through?
To look at.
Oh, okay.
To ignore.
Yeah.
To watch other people walk.
Yeah.
To record on your camera and have a conversation with the labyrinth maker.
The labyrinth maker, my people. Alright, so this is his stuff.
This is the design that I'm redoing. There's 5 lanes. I'm expanding it to 7 today and tomorrow, and we'll see. So I'm confused. Like it's the a little bit end of the day, so I have some mental fatigue. So it's taking me a little longer to concentrate.
Okay.
And that's what we're doing.
Alright, so you have an Instagram?
Yeah.
So you could just say it.
Labyrinth, DOTCA. And
this is his card, my peeps. So you can always
at Labyrinth, DOTCA.
It's right there, my people. One sec here, it's right there.
And the website is labyrinth.ca.
Okay. Yeah, it's just the mic. Alright, man, thanks, okay? So this is his job. Not his job, but this is probably his passion and stuff he just do and check him out. All right, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. So again, that's how we do the walk, with people and we talk. You see, me over there I call the man a madman. I mean, since a businessman there over here, I do. You see, they can't judge nobody. People stop judging people. You need to stop it too. All right, people, we're gonna walk down to the red bench, and I think we're gonna end off the vlog there, because I don't think there's a lot more left to really show you guys for Woodbine Beach. If it's in the summertime now, and I want to see a next update on in the summer, like can come down here upon Canada Day and stuff like that, and then over here be packed with people playing music, everybody just a vibe out. Yeah, we can do that on Canada Day then. So we're gonna do that on Canada Day then, my people. We're gonna walk down to the famous red chair them up on the beach side, and we're gonna end off the vlog there. Probably just walk and talk again and come back in the sunlight this time, so I can see me more. Right, so yeah, but I think I never got my yard to clean out my car and stuff right now, so we could probably go do that and get ready for my next shoot. So again, my people, I need a photographer, a videographer, I need a place to rent at Jamaica. We have it all. So just let me know, and have a personal private wedding in Jamaica and I get married, and have a video guy and a photographer guy, leave from here and go down there and get the projects done with no stress or headache. Alright, but yeah, see again, people them just there drink and stuff like that too. So I think this park is open up for drinking. If you like for drink and stuff like that, you can come over here and say drinking. No dogs allowed from April the 1st, October, because them time they I when the beach really get active, Yeah man, them time they at the beach time that. But them have all tennis over here, so if you like tennis and stuff like that here also. And I think down this here is the next beach. They call it something different, but this is my line where I could draw for done it at this big bench. Yeah man, the big bench, man. We're gonna stop it right so and see if we can get all of one video. Woodbine Beach Park. Yeah man, with people. Just to show us every day at Woodbine at the big bench, Yeah man. So that is it, my people. So right now, my people, this is the ending of this vlog. I'm putting the mic back on. And I think we need to do too much and more are over here. So I walk the next direction. I head back home right now, because we did the walk and we did the talk. And yeah, we just go walk back through the park for now. But this is Woodbine Beach in Toronto, my people. So you can always come and check it out when I'm ready. If you're in Toronto, also my people, nice little place to walk and clear your head. You can bring your loved one, bring your kids them on a weekend or an evening time. Have a local barbecue and stuff like that and enjoy the vibe. Like I say, I wish them have some stuff like more stuff like this. All in a Portmore, big Portmore. I don't have nothing like this in a Portmore. That's not nice. Mobile, nothing like not just opening something in Mobile. I don't have nothing like this in a Ochi. Nothing. I think Portland, they have the Beachfront Harbor View, and I think Kingston, them just open up themselves the boardwalk where them have a rock all the way to the airport area, but them not on a beachfront type of vibe. Them can turn over this and now. Just for all of the car then go park when them are wait for people. Then can lick down all around us, Not even lick it down, leave that because they want that as a abrasive storm and stuff. Right? That's why them have all of them things around there. But with me as I know, them can add couple daytime shocks or stuff like that way. So by 9 o'clock or midnight, a beach shut off or whatever on a weekend time, you have your weekend party, your weekend settings and stuff like that around on the airport road. Right over there, so man, that would have been nice. Because like me say, Elsha done with it, Elsha now come back. Me just sorry for it. No come back, me not there from Elsha. Like, me not even More time there at the house. And if you just jump on the toll and go Portmore, I say, you know what? Go jump on the toll and we go Ochi. And we go up a Flavors Beach in a runaway beer or something like that because it don't make no sense. I waste my time going to Elsha no more because Elsha just done. Nothing on there Elsha. I go buy some expensive fish and expensive lobster over there. That's about it. If you want to do that, you do that. But Elsha days done with. If I go for the food, I go for the food because the food is good. But if no beach not there no more. And over on the next side the beach dirty. Because beer green maras and them stuff, the seaweed take up the water over there now, so it's not a good look. And them government now invest back on the place for clean it up, a cleaning up project or something like that for making people want to come back here. A whole heap of people are going to lose business around there, so the famous Elcha is just done with to me. But go back to Jamaica, we're going to do a tour back over there for sure on what I'm talking about and elaborate more upon this video and this topic of what them can do for bring back Elcha, because Elcha really need to bring back, you know. Elcha is a staple for a lot of people and it probably help a lot of people for go to school and stuff like that. A whole heap of people around us have their own business and stuff, but if you don't fix up the place and stuff like that, you know, make people go somewhere else, just like how me talk right now. Yeah, man, you know, do a good job with the community. I'm sorry. You could have do so much more for that place. Could have invest a lot more millions of dollars and really clean up that place and say, okay, this I will put more stable right here, so even when I have to take off most of them vendors they were over there and tell them, so this is the procedure and this is the order over here, so if you look and what we are going to invest back over here. You know what I mean? But again, the people in Jamaica, them too unruly. So it's going to be a very, very, very hard task if you just do that. Just try to make something work, and that I mash up the place. Yeah, that I mash up the country, because with Jamaica we just too unruly and we don't like follow orders. We just always just think so we can just get up, go do what we want to do. And for bylaw they don't want to follow the bylaw them or nothing like that. In Canada you have to follow all of them things, you know. Or someone come for you and them write you up, you know, them a ticket, you know. You see it? But you can come to this country though and follow the people them rules and law. But you don't want to follow your own country laws and rules. So them things they have to change. Also for Jamaica for really progress more. The mentality a lot of people have to change up if they want to see country do more better, good right now. But them a do what them a do, you know. And you can say them a take a look by look, because a whole people like me say, you know, see a place to sell out over there. Yeah man, but soon you can't buy nothing over there, my people, so you know, take on time and invest and buy a piece of land in Jamaica, because soon time come you can't afford nothing over there. So take on time and just walk with grace. Alright my people, and end off the vlog right here, because right now I just walk back on the street, go back to my car right now, and we just got head out. Still have alcohol one person with them tent out here, so homeless shocked. This is the pool, you know, my people. So the pool is upstairs. Yeah man, 2 different pools, right? And I come on over here, so just a vibe out. And next homeless person thing they're right here, so too. And soon move then, cause like winter time coming on, my people, you know. One the outside when our winter time over here, so winter time over here, so I'm grateful. Negative 10, 15 and 20. No sir, you know what they out here. I think one time I see go up to a negative 39 with wind chill, or more than that one time. Them time then you know say a deadly time out here, so you have to live over here, so you don't want to live here, so man. In a winter time you have to try to find a vacation, a summer home. I run across the street a quick time. You need a summer home or something, my people. So again, my people, thanks again. Everybody just like, share, subscribe to the channel 416-876 Jamaica. Hope you enjoy the walk and talk and the vibe, and let me know which other place you want me to go tour very, very soon before the place get too cold. Right? So Everybody, now bless up on yourself. 4162 876 Jamaica. I'm out.